Be honest, how many times have you Googled how to make money online with zero skills? Don't worry, we've all been there. But here's the thing, 2025 isn't like the past. You don't need to be a coding genius, a Photoshop pro, or some kind of marketing guru to start earning. Because now, AI is doing the heavy lifting. And in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 AI side hustles you can start right now. No skills needed, no audience required, just your phone and the right tools. But hey, before you start dreaming about making passive income from a beach in Bali, there's a huge mistake people are making with AI right now, and I'll expose it in the final tip. So yeah, stick around till the end because number 5, that one's scaling creators fast and barely anyone's talking about it. Side hustle number 1, YouTube automation with AI. You've seen those faceless YouTube channels? Million views, no voice, no face, just clean visuals, crisp voiceovers, and valuable content. Let me break it to you. They're not run by professional editors, they're powered by AI. With tools like Pictory, ElevenLabs, ChatGPT, and Runway, you can auto-generate a script, use a super realistic AI voice, add stock visuals, auto-edit the video, all without recording a single clip. Here's the play. 1. Ask ChatGPT for a script based on a trending topic. 2. Run that script through ElevenLabs to get a natural-sounding voiceover. 3. Use Pictory or Runway to generate the video. 4. Post it on YouTube. And the best part? This stuff is scalable. Pro tip. Focus on money-making niches, like tech reviews, productivity hacks, or finance tips. Still thinking of starting a podcast with your college roommate? Bro, stop it. Do this instead. Side hustle number 2, selling AI art on Etsy and Redbubble. Okay, if you're even slightly into aesthetic stuff, this one's for you. With MidJourney, Ideogram, Leonardo AI, and Canva's magic tools, you can generate stunning artwork in seconds. Posters, quotes, anime designs, pet portraits, trendy graphics, all made with AI. Here's how it works. 1. Use MidJourney or Leonardo to create art. 2. Upload to Etsy, Redbubble, or Teespring. 3. Let the platform do the printing, shipping, and customer service. All you do is create and post. Done. Want to level up? Use ChatGPT to write catchy product titles and SEO-packed descriptions. And listen, if you've ever said, "But I'm not creative enough," I get it. But with AI, you just direct the vibe. AI does the heavy lifting. But hold up, what if I told you you could make $500+ a month without selling anything at all? Let's go to number 3. Side hustle number 3, blogging with ChatGPT plus Substack. Blogging is not dead. It just evolved. AI blogging using ChatGPT and Substack is one of the smartest long-term plays right now. You don't need to be a pro writer, you need ideas and structure. Here's how to set it up. 1. Use Google Trends. 2. Ask ChatGPT to write you a structured, helpful blog post. 3. Post it on Substack or even Notion. 4. Build a free newsletter list and monetize with sponsors or paid content. Imagine a Substack called Lazy Gen Z Side Hustles. 1,000+ readers in 3 weeks. Real example. Still writing captions for your Instagram with 0 likes? Let AI write content that gets open and gets you paid. Now, if you want something that literally runs while you sleep, the next one's for you. Side hustle number 4. AI affiliate marketing funnels. Affiliate marketing isn't new, but using AI to automate it? That's 2025 level game. Here's the system. ChatGPT writes a product review or tutorial. Canva plus Pictory make a short video. Drop affiliate links from Amazon or ClickBank. Create a free Notion resource to hook traffic, drive traffic using Instagram Reels or TikTok. And boom, you've built a system that earns while you're sleeping. You can even use tools like durable.co to build an entire affiliate site in literally 30 seconds. Here's the truth. AI content is exploding. If you don't lock in your niche and links right now, you'll be buried in the noise. But maybe you're like, ugh, I don't want to sell stuff. Cool. What if your opinion could make you money instead? Let me show you the fastest growing AI side hustle in 2025. Side hustle number 5. Reviewing AI tools as a content creator. Now this one's underrated and exploding. You know how everyone's trying new AI tools? Well, they're searching for real reviews first. You can become that person, the go-to reviewer of AI tools on TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. Just use screen recorders like Loom. Try out tools like ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, MidJourney, and share what works, what sucks, and what's worth paying for. Here's where it pays. Affiliate revenue sponsorships tool collabs and you build your personal brand while doing it. You don't have to be an expert. You just have to be real and consistent. Imagine your hot takes about ChatGPT actually paying your rent. That's the internet in 2025. And trust me, the next wave of AI tools, you're not ready for what's coming. Alright, real talk. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to amplify. These 5 side hustles are your gateway to freedom, to brand building, to serious money. But this is just the beginning. The next evolution of AI is bigger, it's faster, and it's going to disrupt everything from business to creativity to the way you learn. So if you're serious about staying ahead of the game, tap that video right there. The future of artificial intelligence, what's coming next? Don't just scroll. Building, you've got AI on your side now. Let's go.